The CEO of Cloudsola, Samantha Morse, and the HR manager, Lars Eriksson, call into your office one day. They have just come from a big project meeting and want to discuss some major changes in the company and how these affect our users in G Suite. Sam tells you there's a new product the company is working on called CloudWidget. This project is top secret, and they want to help prevent anyone from accidentally giving away any confidential info. They ask you, what can we do to help control who can access different services within the company? Up until now, everyone in Cloudsola had the same access to all the services and apps, but now they want to know about how we can have more control over who uses what. You tell them this can be done easily using organizations, and by creating an organizational structure within G Suite for Cloudsola. Creating an organizational structure and grouping users is a powerful tool to help manage services and control which users have access to certain applications. By using organizations, you have the ability to apply policies to turn services on or off for different users, configure service settings differently for different users, and configure settings for different Chrome OS devices if you've added any devices to an organization. Before helping out Sam and Lars, let's get a better idea of how organizations work. To begin with, the overall view of all the organizational units in your domain is called the organizational structure. Right out of the box, every domain starts with one top-level org that usually has the same name as your domain. Within this, you can create as many or as few suborganizations as you want. Just know that if you have no suborgs, settings will apply equally to all users and devices in the company. When you create a new suborg, they inherit settings from its parent, but you can then customize the child org to suit your needs. An important thing to remember is that every user must belong to one and only one org, and the permissions that you set for each org will apply to all users within it. Finally, if you want to customize settings for a single user or device, simply create an org for just that user or device. Now that you know about the power of organizations, go through the following exercise after taking the in-product G Suite training lessons.